Hello, my name is Isabella Kropp, and today I'm going to be presenting my math cast for second grade, and our learning objective is counting to 1,000 on the place value chart. Okay, so first we're going to start off with some vocabulary to review. So our first term is place value. Place value means the position of a digit in a number. So some examples of place value that are used the most often are the ones place, the tens place, and the hundreds place. Next, base 10 units. This just means grouping based on groups of 10. So, for example, 10 100s is 1,000. 10 1,000s is 10,000. Next, expanded form. This is another way to represent numbers, and it just means we're going to break apart a string of digits by place value. So, for example, if we have the number 6,324, it would be 6 thousands, 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. Okay, so for our first example problem, we're going to represent 12 ones in expanded form, and we're going to write it in the place value chart. So, as you can see, I have drawn our 12 ones over here, and I'm just going to count them real quick so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so within this group of 12, we can see that there are 10 ones and 2 ones. So actually, this group of 10 right here, this group of 10 ones makes 110. So we can write 110 in our expanded form, and we can write 1 in the tens place on our place value chart, because we can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones makes 110. Okay, and then we can see that there are 2 left over. So 1, 2. These are remaining ones that don't belong to a group of 10. So there are 2 ones. And we can write 2 ones in expanded form, and we can write it in the place value chart. So we still have 10 ones and 2 ones, which makes 12 ones, but we also have one group of 10 and 2 individual ones. Okay, so for our second problem, we're going to look at this math drawing over here, and we're going to put this into a place value chart and into expanded form and determine how many ones are in this and how many hundreds and how many tens are in this. So to start out, each of these blocks is worth 1. So there are actually 100 in one of these big blocks because there's 10 times 10. So 100, 2 100, 3 100, 4 100, 5 100. So we have 5 100s. And we can write that in the hundreds place in expanded form and on the place value chart. Then each of these individual bars is worth 10 because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 ones in each of these. So 110, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, and 6 tens. So let's write 6 tens in the place value chart and 6 tens in expanded form. And lastly, we just count our ones. This is easy. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that means we have 3 leftover ones. Okay, so if we have 5 in the hundreds place, 6 in the tens place, and 3 in the ones place, that means our answer is 563. Okay, for our last example problem, we're going to put the number 585 into a place value chart and into expanded form, just like we did with the other two. So I'm going to show you another method that you can actually use to do this. You can actually just grab your number and move it over. Oops, I lost one here. But you can grab your number and just move it over into a place value chart with the right number of slots for it. So you see we have a ones place, a tens place, and a hundreds place. And since this number goes up to the hundreds place, we can just put it right in our place value chart. And we can see that we kept our number 585, and now we can see the corresponding place value. So we have 5 hundreds, 8 tens, and 5 ones. And then it makes it a lot easier to write out in expanded form because you just write 5 hundreds, 8 tens, and 5 ones. And then we still have our number, 585. We just wrote it in a different way in the place value chart. Thank you for watching my math cast. Below are my resources that I used. Thank you.